Thank you. Oh my God, it worked. That's fucking wrong.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't know what is this right there. Yeah, free entrance. Woo! Fuck you, you better give me $2.
$2 a piece. Look, Melissa. Say
You
hi.
have to pay me. You're my next package. Alright.
Look at this.
That guy saw me! Oh yeah! You better be taking a picture.
I'm recording this. Look where she's at. This is my package. Right? Look. Yep, that's me. That's Melissa. Don't ask what she was doing earlier. Come here.
Come here!